All right, now I'm doing the video on the next part of the circles and parabola question. Number 10 should be the easiest question on this whole section. It says, which of the following equations does not represent a line in the standard coordinate plane? If I look through there, I notice there's one that's different, okay? Notice K, where it says x to the third, or squared, I can't tell, third, you know me and my eyesight. So that one is the one, it is not linear. Everything else, if I notice x, 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 like they're all to the first power, so they would be linear. So 10 was an easy one, hopefully. Number 11, the graph of the equation, and it gives you here, has a y-intercept at which of the following points? Okay, so let me show you a shortcut on this. Notice it says y-intercept, so all I want you to focus on is this right here, okay? So all I have to do is take that number, 49, and since it's y squared, I'm going to take the square root. So the square root of 49 is 7. So my y-intercept would be 0, 7. Okay, pretty easy. All right, just keep that in mind. Make it as easy as you can. All right, then they have this equation describes a circle which intersects the x-axis at 2 points, one of which is 1, 0. What is the other point? Okay, so this one, they want to know where it crosses the x-axis. So when it crosses the x, y is 0, right? So I'm just going to plug in a 0 for my y. So it's going to be x minus 3 squared plus 0 minus 5 squared equals, 29. I don't know. I think it's 20. I was thinking 49. All right. Now 0 minus 5 is negative 5, and negative 5 squared is 25, right? So x minus 3 squared. And then if I subtract, if I subtract 25 from the other side, that would give me x minus 3 squared equals 4. Now, to get rid of a square, I have to square root. So it's square root this. If I do it to one side, I got to do the other. So x minus 3 equals 2, or x minus 3 equals negative 2, because I could have negative 2 times negative 2, which is 4, right? So then I'm going to add 3 and add 3. Okay, now this one gives me x equals 1, which you've already told me, and this gives me x equals 5. So I know it also crosses at 5, 0. So my answer is K. They already gave me 1, 0, right? It's already up here.